Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can either manually or automatically add beats on CapCut PC. So have your audio ready like here and select the audio so this shows up. If you want to manually add the beats yourself, press this or press Ctrl J on your keyboard and go to the parts where you want to add the beats. And here you can press Ctrl J again on top of the beats or this bit to remove the beats one by one. Or if you want to remove it all together, select this right here. You can also select auto beats if you want to automatically match cut your audio. So you can either select beat 1 or select it again and select beats 2. You can also still add beats, by the way, in between those beats by again pressing Ctrl J or selecting this right here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!